There are many reasons why parents choose homeschooling for their children. A lot of times, this choice is made by parents who are dissatisfied with the way formal education is being run, and by those who are concerned about safety issues. In addition, there are parents who wish to freely instill some religious values in their children, while some feel that having their kids taught at home helps tighten their family bond. There has been an uprise in the numbers of students who are getting their education at home. In the United States, approximately around 3 million children participate in homeschooling programs. There are various ways homeschooling can be achieved. One of the most popular methods is by the use of pre-packaged curriculums. A lot of book publishers specifically produce materials designed for children who participate in homeschooling. These pre-packaged curriculums introduce subjects that follow the curriculum of formal education. Homeschooling includes a lot of activities that make learning fun and exciting, especially for young children. Pre-packaged curriculums offer a range of subjects including mathematics, language, social studies, science, history, electives, and many more. Children who are undergoing homeschooling are furnished with school supplies and other materials that they need for their education. Software, educational audio cassettes, videos, and the Internet are also part of the tools that are included in the education of the child. Homeschooling teachers may also teach children how to play various instruments as a part of the activities covered in music, and other various skills depending on the child's interest. Arts and crafts, indoor games, and storytelling are some of the other activities homeschooled children can participate in. The best thing about this is family members will be able to support and be involved in the various activities of the child. Students who are undergoing homeschooling may also choose to go on organized field trips along with other children who are also being homeschooled. Outside of homeschooling, children can also participate in a number of activities such as community service, working part-time, sports programs, church activities, and field trips that are organized by support groups that endorse homeschooling. These are facilitated by families who also have children who participate in homeschooling. This method of learning is gaining more popularity and is becoming a more feasible option for a number of families. This gives parents more freedom to choose what they think would be the best option when it comes to their children's education. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.